Hey, Boo.
Hey, how are you?
How'd you go?
Yeah, good. Come have a little crab.
You've got lots of them. Truckloads of them. Well, great loads of them, as the case may be.
Oh, look at that.
All tied up. You've been busy.
Yeah.
Okay, V, you're going to give us a crash course on how you tie these things, aren't you?
Yeah.
Go over here in the light and give us a quick demo of how quick you can tie a crab.
Yeah, okay. You tie a crab before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to try my way?
Yeah.
I'll try my way.
Yeah. You got him?
There we go. We got him. All right, so this is what I got taught when I was a young fella. So go in.
Bill would be there for a week if it took you that long.
Oh, shut up.
Is you doing it right, mate?
Yeah, that's the old way. The old
Oh,
time.
that's the old way.
The old time. I show you my way. This is the way that I create is a lot easier.
A lot easier. So that's the way I do it.
Yeah.
And you hook it in, then you tie at the back.
Yeah. That's
right.
the old time way.
Old timer.
Yeah.
You show me the new way.
The new way, okay?
Show us how quick you can do it, V.
Yeah. See, when your one, you got to turn the crab around.
Yeah, you got to turn him around.
Yeah. So this one you go like this.
So go from back, yeah. Ah.
You would improve, V.
Much quicker.
You don't have to move the crab around.
Yeah, you don't have to tip him up.
Yeah. No.
And then you can lose him.
Because when you tip them up the whole time, this one hurt your foot
Ah,
or the
digs in.
nail.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one, when you hold that one and you
You never move. Boom,
don't
boom.
move. You don't
Done.
move no more. Yeah.
And you can.
You want to
Yeah,
try
let
my
me
way?
try your way. Yeah, let me try your way.
I cut them loose, okay?
All right, so we go
Yeah.
like that,
Yeah.
under flippers,
And on top.
on top of flippers,
Yeah. And under the claw.
under claw like that.
Yeah. Pulling, and you use that one go under the flipper.
Got to get under that one.
Yeah. This one only go under.
Yeah,
under
never
here.
even.
Yeah.
You want this one to be longer.
Yeah. This side longer.
Yeah.
This side longer.
Yeah, a lot longer.
You're
Yeah.
going to bring it right through.
Yeah, she's got a bit of length in her. So you go under.
No. You tie up here.
Yeah.
Tie up here.
So
Yeah,
you
so
go
this
under.
one
Now
comes
let-
right through.
I show you again.
So you got to bring it
Yeah,
right.
like that.
Yes.
So you adjust this one here, sort that one longer.
Yes.
Yeah.
Knock them in.
Yeah.
That's the go.
I think you use the wrong foot.
Wrong foot.
Yeah.
There we go.
Still tied up.
You know, you use the wrong foot because you
You
got
got
to
to
use
use this
one. Because
foot.
you got
Yeah,
to do this
and
one
tie
here
like that.
to hold this one here, the string.
Ah,
Okay.
there you go. You got to have the big toe
But
on
still
the
good.
string.
Still good. Still good.
Still good?
Yeah,
Ah,
but you
good.
know when you before you start the string this side only
Yeah.
about that long, like, and the rest about
Long,
that
yeah.
long.
Ah, yes,
So you can
yes.
go around, lift up, and go here and tie here. Yeah.
And tie here, yeah.
Yeah. That's
And
good.
then you pick the crab up like that,
Yeah.
and then he doesn't get damaged.
Yeah.
Your claw doesn't fall off.
Yeah.
So to check that, to make sure they're full,
Yeah.
you press in here, eh?
Yeah.
Like there,
Yeah.
like that. And
Yeah.
that's all hard.
Yeah.
If that's soft, no good, eh? Empty.
Yeah. If a little bit soft, it will be, but the too soft,
Yeah. Empty.
not good. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
see, that's nice and hard.
Yeah.
He weighs about probably maybe nearly a kilo.
Yeah. Somewhere there. Yeah.
Pretty close, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Very impressive, mate.
Very
Yeah,
good.
that's
And you did 500 of those
Yeah.
in the last, what is it, day and a half?
3 times.
Yeah.
Three
Three
times.
tie check.
500.
That's
Wow.
epic.
It is
That's
epic.
epic.
So there you go. When you buy crabs at home, maybe they're crabs from Vu.
Yeah.
Maybe that's a Vu crab.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, good job.
Well done, mate.
Yeah.